Okay, fantastic. Let's start. Over 125,000 people lost their jobs last year. And here are the top 10 skills the market is actually buying. Top 10 is Ansible. It's not about managing your 500 playbooks anymore. It's about integrating these 500 playbooks into the GitOps process. And then comes Google Cloud, majorly used for multi-cloud strategies. But there are people who are individually running their applications in the Google Cloud, and it is obviously Kubernetes heavy. Then comes Bash, old technology, but still useful. But it's more about writing complicated scripts that can do error handling. Then comes Docker with 44% stake. Basics again are required, but beyond basics, you need skills that require you to build multi-stage builds, skill that requires you to do the security scanning, layered caching, and resource constraints. You need to understand all these aspects and more. This is absolutely important skill these days. Then comes Jenkins. Not many people want it, but they have it, so they have to manage it. So whether they have to manage it or they have to move it to a new CI/CD pipeline. So this is the skill, high value skill right now. And then comes Microsoft's Azure. It's obviously enterprise heavy. Top enterprises directly run their infrastructure on Azure. Many companies also use it as a DR strategy. So must have skill, important skill to have. And then comes the golden skill, which is Kubernetes with 62% stake. Again, it's not about the surface knowledge, but you need deep knowledge with how to manage the CNI, how to do the resource limit, how do you manage your persistent storage, but most importantly, how do you troubleshoot your cluster when things go wrong. That's where the real opportunity is. Top 3 skill is Terraform. You do not want your entire code to be in a single file. You want modular design, and your code should run efficiently. Then comes AWS, must have skill for every DevOps engineer, and you need to understand the basics of these. Python is the topmost skill. It's not a nice to have skill, it's a must have skill. And it's not just about writing some scripts to manage your virtual machines. It's more about writing code to build platforms. That's where the premium pay comes. These are the top 4 skills. Mastering how they work together is the most valuable skill set in the market today. Check out the description for slides and data sources. All right, that's it. If it is useful, like and subscribe.